Hey guys, you guys already know that what this video is going to be about, but before that, let me just change because I just came back from my office, man. Woo! Much better now. Okay, let's get straight into the video. In today's video, what I'm gonna be... Wait, one sec. My Razer chair is so much heavy, man. Okay, on a serious note, enough fun for now. Let's just make our very first gaming chair.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
That was a good journey, but we finally got there. Thanks for joining me today as I assembled my Razer Edition gaming chair. Now that we're finished, I'm excited to put this chair to the test and see how it performs. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, happy gaming.